Hello and welcome to the littleGasthaus, the German sausage maker. Today I take you through a process of making delicious apple onion liver sausage. And that will be in a jar. You also can do that in the casing, but this is easier for me, less cleaning. Okay, let's get started. For this recipe we'll need 1.5 pounds of pork belly, 3/4 pound of liver, 1/4 pound of apple and onions, and a blend of various spices. Place the pork belly in a pot of simmering water and cook it for about 90 minutes until it's become tender and juicy. While the pork belly is cooking, let's move to the pan. Stir the onion until they become golden and create a sweet and savor adding to the sausage. You want to separate that from the sauce. Put it back in the bowl. And we get some sauce. We have to add later to the meat. We use the meat grinder and crank everything to a 2mm plate. Add in a blend of spices. Ensure everything is mixed well. In a big mixing bowl, combine the cooked pork belly, the liver with the apples and the onion. Carefully spoon the sausage mixture in the clean jars. Ensure that they are tight sealed with their respective lids. This will help retain the flavor and aromas during the cooking process. Place the closed jar into a pan filled with water close to the lids. Make sure the temperature remains at about 80 degrees Celsius. Then let them cook for 1.5 hours. Allow the flavor to melt together. And there you have it, for homemade liver sausage in a jar. To ensure the best flavor, it is important to let the sausage jars rest for 3 days in a cool, dark place. This will allow the flavor to intensify and harmonize. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. This was apple onion liver sausage in a jar. So if you liked it, give me a thumb up. Subscribe if you haven't done that so far. And well, see you next time in the Little Guest House and the German sausage maker. Bye bye.